what can a mucus-filled man do to get some respect around here? Hello, Snotzella. I hear you broke something of mine. It better not have been that best picture of me ever. Well, of course not, Snotzella. Very well then. I'm very glad at that. Now remember that everyone else except you is actually healthy. Yes, I know, Snotzella. I haven't even gotten into my shower yet. And this call is already over 30 seconds long. Wait a second. I can feel that. Feel what? Your earwax leaking through the telephone wires and sopping into my ear. If you please, I'm just going to dump the phone out. This is highly disgusting. Wait, that was in my shower. Oh well. It has mucus-covered walls anyways. Anyways, you did it again. Well, it doesn't taste the best either. I'm sorry, it's not my fault. I have abnormally large ears. Ugh. Fine, we'll have to go. Bye-bye. Okay, now I can finally begin. I just need to set up all the shampoos that look lots like my mucus. Well, different colors. White, yellow, green. And I think I have to sneeze. Oh, blast. Everyone take cover! Well, that one was rather anticlimactic and disappointing, but still, oh well. Right, me too. Since I'm the only one who can actually watch this disgustingness, get down those stairs. Overdramatic assistants, aren't they just so annoying?